What's good? 420 Native Gang on YouTube. What's good? I'm that Native253 on Facebook. What's good with y'all? Cleaning my room, bro. My smoke room. My wife cleaned it already. She did a whole cleaning the house, but I'm vacuuming. Really, there's not that much to vacuum. I already vacuumed the living room. I already vacuumed the hallway. Now I start vacuuming the living room. That didn't really work out how I was trying it to. Where'd he go? It just dropped out my hand. Oh, of course. Shit disappears like nothing here. It's crazy. But that's me cleaning my room. It's been past due, bro. Not past due, but you feel me? We was in the laundry room for the longest, so for the OGs that have been tapping in with your boy since the beginning on YouTube, since I first started this shit, since my very first video, yeah, you guys know I used to smoke in the laundry room, and now your boy upgraded. Hey, now we just don't use this room, so I'm used to the camera being on this side, so don't come at me, bro. I'm getting used to this. I just learned that you need to have your phone turned sideways so they get the whole view. I've been having it straight up and having like a small view, so we're learning, bruh. We're learning, and you're gonna catch me looking this way because I'm so used to having my camera up top where I could look at me and I'm still looking at the camera. We gotta get used to this, bro. I might have to flip the phone around and have the camera on this side because I'm so used to it being on this side. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, hit the follow button on Facebook, comment down below what you think. Do you guys like vacuuming or is it just me? I love to vacuum. I love to clean, but it's picking shit up that I don't like doing. I don't like having to keep bending over picking this up. I just want to vacuum the beach. I want to sweep it out. You feel me? Let me do this and that. Let me get this shit done. You feel me? But like, comment, subscribe. Y'all can share this if you want, but I don't give a... Spread the love. You feel me? But by the end right there, I'm about to go handle my business. Those videos will be on my YouTube page and my Facebook, so tap in. This is just a cleaning. Feel me? I cleaned the living room already. We vacuumed it. Vacuumed the hallway. Vacuumed basically the kitchen too. So the whole house is clean now. You dig? Like, comment, subscribe, bruh.